Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you the best place to buy crypto in Canada. So in order to do it, I'm going to use this website or this exchange that is called bitget.com, and I would recommend you to create your account on Bitget because on this platform you can get wide variety of coins, whether you are looking for meme coins or some of the traditional coins like BTC and Ethereum. You can get all the coins at one place. So if you want to create your account on Bitget, I will put my link down in the description, so you can use that link in order to get the 20% trading fee rebate on this platform. Now once you come to bitget.com, you just have to click on the sign up button and you just have to simply create your account on it. Then in order to purchase the cryptos, you just have to first fund your account, and in order to fund your account you just have to tap on the deposit button. After that, you just have to simply select that particular coin which you want to deposit over here, and after getting the deposit address of that particular coin, you just have to deposit your crypto into your Bitget account. Now you need to hover over to market and click on markets, and here you will be able to see the list of all of the coins that you can purchase on Bitget. In the top, you will be able to see the spot, futures and margin, so you can select any of these based upon your preferences. Let's say you have selected spot, you want to purchase in spot, so you just have to select it, and here you will be able to see various types of filters that you can choose from. Whether you want to buy an AI coin or the AI based coin, you just have to simply click on AI and it will show you all of the coins that are based on AI. If you want to purchase meme coin, then select meme and it will show you all of the meme coins that you can buy on their platform. If you are interested in Solana ecosystem, select Solana ecosystem and it will show you the associated meme coins and some other coins based on the Solana network. Similarly, you can use these filters in order to filter out the cryptos as per your convenience. Let's say I want to buy Solana meme coin, so I simply click on Solana meme coin. Now among these cryptos, I can purchase any of the meme coins that I'm interested in. Let's say I want to purchase SAMO/USDT, so you just have to simply click on the coin that you want to purchase. After that, you just have to scroll down, and in the right hand section you will be able to see the buying and the selling option. So in order to buy your favorite crypto, you just have to simply provide the amount in this section. You can even use this slider in order to do so, and it will automatically take the USDT from your account. Then you need to simply click on the buy button over here and you will be able to purchase cryptos. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.